Yo, everybody, before the video start, I have to shout out Rejuvenator. I say it all the time because I really mean it. It's the best sneaker cleaner in the game, hands down. Now, if you look down below in the description, right below my video, you will see that Rejuvenator is linked. Use that link. Purchase your Rejuvenator. It is very much essential. Now, I'm out here at the hotel in South Carolina. I got my brother with me. What are you doing with my wallet, bro? Give me that. You're broke. Give me that, bro. Yes, I'm broke. Broke boys run the world. I'm out here with the family having a great time, and I just seen J23 app just released photos of the Air Jordan 4 Off-White, and you know I gotta come back and talk about it, even though I'm not back home at the studio. So without further ado, let's get into it. I'm way out in South Carolina right now at the beach. I just seen on my phone literally just now that J23 just dropped the pictures for the Air Jordan 4 Off-Whites for the women. Now, I know it's a little bit different. The aesthetic is different. Excuse me for the echo if you hear it in here. I will give y'all like a nice little tour, but y'all see the vibes. Y'all see the vibes. Check out the channel as well. I will be dropping some vlogs out here. It's like a few outlets that I do plan on hitting up, but I could not let this moment pass me without talking to y'all about my opinions and my thoughts on the Air Jordan 4 Off-White women. This shoe will be very limited. I already know that off the gate. As soon as I heard another Jordan Off-White, because I have no Jordan Off-Whites at all. I only got 3 pair Off-Whites. I brought one with me on a trip as well. But I got the Zoom Fly, both colorways, and then I got the Vapor Max, the second colorway with the blue swap laces. But I don't have any Jordan Off-Whites, and I wanted to make sure at least I try my best to increase my chances on getting this pair, even though it's gonna be almost impossible. Pairs will be limited, okay? I don't have a lot of details, but I did just want to get like a first overall look with y'all because I was very surprised. Now, I have seen earlier photos, so this is not my first time seeing these, but they do look different from the earlier photos that I've seen. So it's been like a lot of leaks and stuff like that y'all probably already seen up on different pages like Flight 23 and just different spots like that, and a lot of Instagram pages as well. But I just want to look over these very quickly and give y'all my analysis. So looking at this is like a nice little tan Off-White, like a sand tan linen type colorway. It reminds me of those linen 4s for women that came out a while back. If any of y'all remember those linen 4s, it's not an exact match, but it just gives me like that type of remnants. Now, I love Air Jordan 4s. They might be one of my favorites. Between the 3s and the 4s, I go back and forth a lot, but the Air Jordan 4 silhouette, you really can't go wrong with it. I love it to death. I also brought me some Air Jordan 4s here too. I brought the cool gray Air Jordan 4s. I was excited when those came back out. So when I saw these, I'm like, look, they really can't mess up the Air Jordan 4 colorway, or at least the silhouette, because that's a classic. One thing that they did that I really love, the back tab. So they got the Nike Air on the back tab I'm looking at, but they decided to make that like a translucent. So that's cool, because we always love when they put Nike Air on the back of our 3s and when they put Nike Air on the back of our 4s. But the fact that it's like translucent definitely gives it like another, I don't know, it just gives it another vibe. You know what I'm saying? It gives it a whole nother dimension. So I think that's pretty cool. And it's all one solid color. In my opinion, this might be like one of the most subtle Air Jordan Off-Whites ever. And I'm hearing that this women, but they will have like those exchangeable or extended men's sizes or extended women's sizes that men wear. We all know the game, bro. If a women's pair come out this hyped, dudes gonna be needing like a women's size 16 just to fit their men's feet. I'm not gonna cap. If you're a woman and you're looking forward to this release, be ready to box. Cause on dog, a lot of dudes gonna be trying to get these, and I can't blame them. We in a day and age now where everybody is a sneakerhead, everybody wanna flip shoes, everybody wanna buy shoes, and that's just what it is now. Like these, and that's just what it is now. We gotta accept that, we gotta understand that. So women, don't be mad if all the dudes pick up these shoes, bro. I'm telling you now, it's gonna happen. You're gonna see resellers for 40, 50 pair. You're gonna see like dudes standing in line for it. It just is what it is. It should not be a surprise no more. Especially, I'm telling you right now, especially if these come in extended men's sizes, which I have heard they will be coming in. Now, a lot of these things are still up in the air, but that's for sure. These sizes will be extended men's sizes. The last time I went for a Chicago Off-White, I believe, or not Chicago Off-White, the last time I went for an Off-White, I traveled all the way for Chicago for it, and I think I took an L. Man, the reason why I did that, because I took a W when I went to Chicago for the Travis Scott 6s. You know what I'm saying? That was probably one of my best pickups of all time. Just the fact that I went all the way out there to Chicago and I hit at a store. What was the name of that spot I hit at? I can't even remember. It was a resale shop. Well, it was not even a resale shop. It was just like one of those boutiques. It was called St. Alfred, I believe. St. Alfred. Shout out to St. Alfred, man. Anybody over at St. Alfred watching, I'm forever indebted, man. I appreciate you, St. Alfredo. But yeah, man, other than that, like I said, this is very subtle. Very, very, very subtle. To the point where I was like, at first when I seen these photos, I was thinking that this must be a prototype. I've never seen like a off-white this boring. And I don't mean boring like corny, I mean boring like one basic block colorway. Look at my case. Right, the Air Jordan 1 off-white. I mean, this had a lot of color. It had a lot of personality in it. This here is just like a little bland. It is what it is. Now, I do want to talk to y'all briefly about the resale value because I know a lot of y'all going to be flipping this. You know what I'm saying? Little flip game over. I already know how that's going to go down. And any off-white, I don't care what shoe it is, what silhouette it is, especially off-white sneakers, they will have resale value. And I've never looked at the resale value on this shoe yet, so I just want to check it out. All right, so obviously these gonna be high. These are unreleased and they super hyped. So a size 6 in women is going for $2,100, all the way down to a size 14.5 for women, which is another $1,600. The money size is looking like a size 9.5 women. That's going for $2,075. And of course, size 13.5 for women. That's going for about $2,300. And I think the sad part is, I think I need like I wear 12 in men, so I think that's a 13.5 in women. Golly, I got the 2,300. That's the highest size. Oh, why me? It's always me, bro. It's always me, regardless. Big sizes like that, I think gonna be harder to get than the normal sizes because I feel like the actual women's sizes they're gonna make a lot of, and then when they get to the extended sizes, they know women's feet ain't that big, bro. Jordan be knowing what they be doing, bro. Nike and Jordan brand know what they be doing. They know that men are gonna want these shoes, and it's no way you making women's sneakers extended to size 16.5. When has a woman ever wore 16.5? I don't even think Brittany Griner wears 16.5, bro. So they definitely know that dude's gonna be trying to buy these. So another Jordan I almost forgot about that kind of reminded me of this one was the Jordan 4 Retro Fossil. That was for women too. Now it's a lot darker. It's a lot darker brown, but like I said, it just reminds me. It just got like the remnants of Air Jordan 4 off-white. It's all like the same in a way, especially these women colorways too, to be exact. I can only imagine how crazy Sneakers app is about to be for these. Like, y'all know when a dunk go on Sneakers app, it almost shut out. When I did my live cop on the dunks, the University Red joints, I tried to log in my desktop around the time that the Nike drop was about to happen, and it literally said I could not log in due to like how many people was on the server. I couldn't log in. So imagine how many people about to be on this Air Jordan 4 Retro Off-White. It's about to be a lot of people. A lot of people. And I'm excited that he's doing different silhouettes now because we did the ones, I don't even know the limitations on what sneaker he's planning on doing next. I'm still waiting for like that canary yellow and white off-white Jordan 1 to release, man. Once that one released, I think I'll pay the bag. I was talking to Break earlier today. He offered me a shoe. It was an off-white. I'm not going to say the name, but he gave me a great price. And I didn't want to pay it. He like, Snipe, bro, one of these days, you're going to have to pay that. And I think if they ever drop that canary yellow off-white, that Jordan off-white, bro, I'm going to have to pay that, straight up. I'm going to have to pay that. I'm going to have to go ahead and pay that. That might be one of the most beautiful shoes I ever laid my eyes on. That shoe is beautiful. But yeah, man, that's just about it, bro. I'm going to go ahead and show y'all the vibes right now, okay? So like I said, we in the hotel. The vibes is pretty decent. You know what I'm saying? I'm out here with the family, by the way. Also, if you have not been watching my new channel, I need y'all to go sub up to my new channel. It's linked down below. All of my basketball content is over there, whether it be like reactions to basketball games or me actually playing myself. It will be on my second channel, Sniper Jones TV, which is linked down below. Also, I literally dropped my first performance review ever on the channel. I did the Kawhi Omnis ones. Very surprised by those, by the way. Huge shout out to New Balance Hoops for sending me over the Kawhi Omnis ones. Y'all asked me to switch up the content. Y'all told me to do something different. I did. So you gotta watch it and support it if you want me to keep doing it. I can't do it without it. But I want to show y'all the view real quick. Let me see if I can show y'all this one. I gotta show y'all the view, man. Oh my goodness, look. Just got smoky on me. Okay, there we go. I think the lens might get a little foggy. It is getting foggy. Golly, it's humid out here. Quickly, look at that water. You see the pool here, you see the water. Just keep getting foggy, bro. Those the vibes, though. Those the vibes. I always stay out here and talk with y'all, but this screen keeps fogging up, so I'm gonna just get up out of here. Snipe Squad, you already know the vibes, man. 100K on the way. Sub up to the channel if you already haven't, and you know I cannot leave without saying everybody want to be famous, but who really putting in that work though? Snipe Squad, I love y'all. Dream big.